Join both hands in front of your heart in Gassho position to connect with Reiki. Then place your right hand to your left shoulder and cross it mindfully to the opposite hip, like removing heaviness from your body. From the right shoulder to the left hip, and from the left shoulder to the right hip. And repeat this movement 3 times. 3 times on each side. Then from the shoulder you do the same on the arms, going from the shoulder to the fingers. 3 times on each side. And the final movement, you do exactly the same movement on the internal part of the arm. From the right shoulder to the right hand, and from the left shoulder to the left hand. And repeat it 3 times on each side. Finish, join again your hands in Gassho position to show gratitude.